What is up, guys? Very good morning. Here's a little surprise for all of you guys. My new Street Fighter V4. It's loaded with a lot of carbon fiber accessories. Exhaust. It's also got a tune from Akrapovic. So here's the lineup for today. हमारे दोस्त हम पूरे BMWs करके पूरे BMWs आ गई. Yeah, this is 21 model, I guess, S1000RR. This is an M Sport with the sticker kit from the M1000RR. Another beautiful one here, Idris Bhai's S1000RR. Just look at this. Looks like the M1000RR. This is again a sticker kit. 2324 S1000RR again here. This is the latest generation standard. Asymmetrical 2018 S1000RR, and here's our Janab Mujahid Bhai's S1000RR. This is the latest gen M Sport. So full of BMWs. उसमें हमारी एक लाल परी आ जा गई. So yep, this is the Street Fighter V4. The Racing Evo, you see that? So it's got the tune from Ducati. All BMWs in a group. हमारे दोस्त हमको खाली BMWs का क्या किए जुनून है. हमारे पास भी थी. Just sold the S1000 XR. So yep, this is not like a review or anything. That's Mujahid on the S1000RR. He loves to pop those wheelies every now and then. So yep, this is not like a ride review or anything. I've done a first ride review on this motorcycle earlier. Thanks to VFM Ducati, I got to experience what the motorcycle is like, and that's what made me fall in love with the motorcycle. And here I am today. I've got my own Street Fighter V4. So getting used to the bike basically. It's a wild machine. एकदम जंगली है, बिल्ली इन है. So I'm getting used to it, trying to tame it, understanding the bike better. So don't expect any top speed run and all that today. Just getting used to the bike, learning the bike, how to tame it. जंगली तो बहुत है, of course. This is considered one of the wildest motorcycles ever made. Every S1000RR in a group is different. एक का एक modification है. Check that out. That's the TST. Wheelie is at I think number 4, but still the wheel is almost popping up most of the time. Oh, जंगली है एकदम. It's mad. Oh, crazy. Beautiful morning, the weather is amazing. So yep, this is one of the most powerful naked motorcycles. This is the most powerful naked motorcycle, not one of the most powerful. It's 208 bhp, 208 bhp and about 124 Nm of torque. That's the stock setting. This particular motorcycle has the Acropovich exhaust with the Racing Evo tune, so roughly about 220 bhp. Looks beautiful, the TST Industries tail light on this S1000RR. रोड में ऐसा सडनली लोग आते रहती हैं, सो पुश करो बट देन बी कॉशियस ऑफ एवरीथिंग दैट्स अराउंड यू. ये क्या भाई, ना घर को ले लो जा रही. You saw how that pulls to the red line? It's insane. रोड नहीं मिल रहा आज मेरे को. Wow. Check that car out. What is this? This is an M2, M4. Lovely car. Woo! Be it any gear or whatever wheelie setting you're at, but ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm not feeling confident at any point, because the winglets are really helping with the downforce, and also the electronics is keeping the front wheel down. Of course you can switch that off completely, the anti-wheelie, and then this thing will be come run by on my rear view mirror on his S1000RR. That's a 2023 or 24 I guess, and it's got an Acropovich exhaust. So let's see. Got an Acropovich Evolution exhaust. Yeah, whatever speeds I did so far, कोई discomfort नहीं था. The wind blast is gonna be there, but I am wearing my Dainese jacket today, the leather jacket, so it is giving me some confidence. Had it been the mesh jacket, थोड़ा उन्हें shake हुई रहती थी. And yeah, of course my RI RX-7B is also helping a lot. A good helmet will make a lot of difference. Hey, मैं कांकी चल जा रहा हूँ. I gotta take a U-turn here. Oh. Got all excited and went off straight. That's a 1300 GSA, massive motorcycle, beautiful machine. ये हमारे दोस्त की बाइक दिख रही है, द टाइगर 900 रैली प्रो. ये मॉन्स्टर it's not part of our group, आ गई कहीं से. Saw him on the way though. इसका साइड स्टैंड, gotta get used to it. Wow, the M4 पटाखे मारने को जा रहा हमने.
ब्रो तुम दो तीन लेना होना अभी से गाड़ी का कैसा शिफ्ट कर रही समझ में नहीं आ रहा.
नहीं ब्रो, उसका चेन स्लैक वो क्या है, उसे क्या शिफ्ट कर रही है तो? हाँ हाँ.
You are literally playing with the bike, but you are going like too far off.
हाँ.
You're taking too much of the road.
हाँ.
It's fine.
हाँ.
You're enjoying.
Yeah, I'm enjoying. हाँ, वो इतना आसान है इसमें सच चले जाना काम भी. A better look at my bike. Everything carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. This is carbon fiber. The winglets are carbon fiber. Evotech frame sliders. Evotech some guard. Acra full system, of course. This is the Gillies adjustable foot pegs, rear sets. Stock foot pegs are available. Single side swing arm, of course, the iconic design of Ducati. It's got an Evotech slider here as well. Carbon fiber here too. Carbon fiber here too. Who doesn't love carbon fiber? Ducati performance. Here's again Ducati performance. Yep. So Lal Pari in middle of all the BMWs here. क्या कि हमारा दोस्त हम पूरे BMW ले लिए. Yep, this is the M1000RR sticker job on the S1000R. This is a 2122. ये देखो हमारे दोस्त यहाँ ये जैकेट भी टांग डाली. This is what you do with the lever guard. Yep, this is guard. Some good accessories to Akrapovic Revolution. Yeah. Yes, the blue pipes, of course, that's titanium. This is the M1000RR sticker kit on the S1000RR. This is I think a 21-22 model. TST Industries tail light, one of the best tail lights for the S1000RR. Yep, nicely customized this one. Every S1000RR here is different. Like everything is customized as per the liking. This is a stage 2 tuned raw motorcycle. This is the asymmetrical headlamp design. Of course, this is Zohaib, our buddy Zohaib's motorcycle. What a machine! Raw motorcycle, keeps up with the drag bikes also. Acra full system, shorty again. I mean, the new bikes have come in. They make more horsepower, but the way this can be tuned and the kind of mid-range that this has, it is raw. I mean, people who know what this is will still want a motorcycle like this. This is my personal favorite out of the lot. Such a beautiful motorcycle. Just look at this. This is again a 2025 S1000RR standard with the M1000RR sticker job. What a beautiful machine. Look at the attention to detail of all the sticker jobs, of all the stickers. Here, the M color. This of course comes standard on the latest generation S1000RR, and it's looking very good. Everything that's the way it's been all put together, the sticker job, it looks really good. It looks like an M1000RR. Looks amazing. This is the BMW's M badging color, of course. This color scheme. Lovely motorcycle. mashallah. Akrapovic full system again. All BMWs, mine is the only Ducati. Of course, as you all know by now, I've sold my S1000 XR. So yep, thought Street Fighter में अभी थोड़ा मजा करेंगे, raw motorcycle. So yep, I just got done with the tire calibration. I forgot to record it. So the motorcycle has to be ridden in about 49 to 51 kilometers per hour. So वो मैं कर डालिया and it said it's completed. Something for the first time I'm hearing, tire calibration सब करना करके. I've never heard of it before. Something new. Sharif bhai insisted me to get it done because he had a Panigale V4, so he knows these motorcycles well. Actually, the bike feels better. I don't know what just happened, but I'm feeling better now. Tire calibration. So he was suggesting that the motorcycle was transported all the way from Kolkata, so it's better you get the calibration done. ये क्या है कि पट बन डुम 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 हो रहा है. आई एम नॉट श्योर व्हाट दिस इज. To get it checked. All this is new to me, so I'll of course send it to Ducati and get these things checked कि ये क्या है. Stability is insane. I don't know what I did. I did some 230, 240, I guess, just some time back. I did not feel any sort of unstable kind of a feel. ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ. The bike is super stable thanks to the winglets and the downforce. Bro, नहीं मैं तुम ना बात करना. तो तुम्हें मुझे just explain me what is this tire calibration exactly? What does it do?
So when you change the tire or even when you adjust the chain, the wheel, the way it's been placed,
Okay.
it has to come to perfectly straight alignment.
Okay.
So the calibration, what it does is also sees the wheel speed and everything and adjusts accordingly.
Okay.
Because it's a single-sided finger.
Okay.
Not sure of the latest one where you have to a double-sided, but all these bikes which have, they have
Okay.
calibration.
Cool.
Anytime you change the tire or the chain or everything.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thanks. It was very helpful. मुझे मालूम नहीं था ये सब. Everything is new to me also. Yeah. So Sharif bhai, since he had the Panigale V4, he knew all this. There you go. All the beasts S1000 RRs are all ready to roar. एक गया था, शुरू होती है.